out of our harvest today. So if it was full, it's 11 and 11.4 litres. And there's a bee running around me. I'll just put it down. Notice the difference in colour just between the hives and the frames. I mean, look at this is a frame ready to be harvested, and if you look at the colour of that as opposed to the colour of that, as opposed to the colour of that, and then look at these two, it's just all the different blossoms that they're, all the different pollen that they're collecting. As I always say, my favourite hive, the most aggressive bees, but boy, do they produce. So I'm in love with them. I think if they came to Earth as girls, they'd all be riding Harley Davidsons and wearing leather. That's the kind of bees they are. The flow has been just amazing. And if you look behind me, you can see why. If you look at the trees, that they've all got blossoms.